Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Learn with Mukul. So in this video I'm going to teach you about the practical portion of MySQL. Only I will be covering the MySQL queries and all the computation part of this MySQL. If you guys want the theory as well, please put it in the comment box. I will teach you the theory as well. This is going to be the lecture 1 of MySQL, where I'm going to teach you the basics of MySQL. And if you follow my series, which I will be uploading videos upon daily basis, so I will be starting with the basics to the advanced level. So this is the lecture 1 where I'm going to teach you the basics of MySQL. First, you need to create a database. As you all know, database is a collection of tables. First step is create database. Suppose you can put any database name, so I was putting it as house. And always remember, in MySQL, the query always ends up with a semicolon, and press enter. You see the query has been created. And one thing I want to say, like if you get a comment like query okay, it means your query has been successfully created. And one more thing, if you want this MySQL 8.0 command line client, the application that I'm using, please put it in the comment box as well. If you want the installation process of this, I will make a video upon that as well. And now suppose I've created a database. Now you guys want how many database I have been created. So the query for that is show databases. By using this query show databases, you can see how many database I have created. So 21 databases I have created till now. After creating a database, now you have to use this database. Database has been created. Now I have already teach you about the show databases, what is the functionality of it. Now I want to use the database that I've created, which is house. The command for that is use house. See, database has been changed. Now suppose the database that I have used is house. Now suppose I want to use another database, like suppose I want to create here hello. So I want to use hello. So what you can see, use hello. See the database. Now anything which I will be performing queries after this, it will be saved in the hello database. As you see, the hello it has been here after 5th command, which is hello database. Now one more thing, like in database I want to see how many tables are there in hello. So for that the query is show tables. See, I've created one table in this hello, which is Mukul. So in this way I can see how to gameplay with the database and the table. I hope you like this lecture 1. In this I have teach you about the databases, how we create database, how to show databases, and how we can use the database. Now in my lecture 2 I am going to teach you about how we can create a table under a database. Thank you.